Hey there, this is Anand from AC Edition YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create dramatic photo effect in Lightroom Mobile, just like from this image to this. So we are going to learn how to create this kind of photo effect, and it is not just created only a single preset. You have to go more further adjustment, so don't worry about that. I will show you how to create this kind of photo effect. So before we go further into the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and please support me. And not just subscribe, ring the bell that you may never miss another future tip, trick and tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, here I am in my gallery. So let's just open this image in my Lightroom app. And similarly, I have also a preset for you. So I will open this preset in Lightroom application. First of all, let's just open this preset. So I have given the preset link in description below. So go ahead and at the end of this video, download it from the link in the description. But you need to go more further adjustment that you must have to watch this video till the end. So it's also helped me to gain more watch time. First of all, let's just copy setting from this preset. So I'll go to this three dot icon, then I'll scroll down a bit, then copy setting, and on the right hand side hit OK. Now I will slide my own image. Then after that I will go to three dot icon again, and I will do paste setting. So as you can see, my photo is looking so great, but I need to do more adjustment so that my photo will look much better. So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, let's just go to this tab, and now watch it very carefully guys. Just as you can see this tint slider, so just take this tint slider and decrease even more. So as you can see, the trees behind the model is looking so dark and it looks so amazing. And if you want, then you can control the temperature slider also. So if you increase the temperature slider, it looks much brightened, and if you decrease the temperature slider, it will be more darkened. So I will go to this number. It looks good on my image. Alright, now if you want, then you can go more vibrant step, that your photo will be much saturated, your skin tone will looks good. Just now go to this icon, and after that did some clarity on it, and most importantly decrease some vignette, and it will give you a more depth effect, so it looks more amazing. But the skin tone is not good enough. So how do we fix it? So first of all, let's just go this icon, previous icon, and we need to go mix tool. So go to this mix tool. Now go to this orange color tab, and you need to play with hue slider. So if I decrease the hue slider, as you can see, the orange tone is pops up on my face and it looks much better. So you can go any number based upon your image. So I will go to this number, just increase some luminance too, and I will go more saturation on it. Looks better, isn't it? So now I will go to back vignette effect, and I will decrease more. It looks much better on me. Superb. Now I will go to this icon, and I will do some sharpening, and also I will increase some noise reduction on it. So as you can see, my photo is looking much better and it looks so amazing. The color grading effect is really very creative. So let me show you the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. And guys, if you don't know how to save this image, then go to this three dot icon, then save to device, highest available quality, then hit OK. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if it did, then please hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, then go ahead and please hit the subscribe button, and not just subscribe, ring the bell that you may never miss my another future tip, trick and tutorials. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.